Before joining this course, I am working professional. So my husband is also working for a corporate company. So then
Mm.
kids, it's very difficult to take caring of my kids. My husband is telling that you earn. I'm not objecting, but you do from house. While selecting this course, I have two opportunities. Like I
Mm.
want to do interiors also, and then this one for interiors. If you want to get opportunity means we should show our completed
Mm.
projects.
Mm.
Then baking means you do it from with a small amount only, and then we can prove ourselves that I can do good
Wow.
good products. Then I thought this is a good thing, so I joined this one. It's a very wonder that I made like theme cakes, that doll cake, that was very surprising. Within 1 week only I have taken diamond membership. Your biggest thing is you are teaching how to do business also.
Mm.
Nobody give this type of path. So that is a big order, ma'am. 250 gift boxes
Great.
for a corporate company. 100 ones, so much happy. 100 candle bulb. Oh my God, I got a good opportunity. And then it's almost 2000, around 2000 chocolates we made. I said, my mom, it's my interest. And then
Wow.
I have to utilize my time properly.
Mm.
It will not come again, like times and all events gone are gone. So we
Absolutely.
have to utilize 100%. Like
Correct.
okay, at home we can take care of kids and their education, and in the morning session after they're going to school, no, we have a lot of time,
Yeah.
so we can do lot and we can prove.
Hi, everyone, and welcome to this Hall of Fame series. And I'm here with my awesome student who has followed the community, who has followed the system step by step, and she has turned her passion for baking into real income, okay, real revenue. And we are not going to be talking about some theories, some motivation. We are going to be talking about real numbers, real orders, and more importantly, real transformation. So make sure that you are watching this carefully because Rupa is going to share some golden nuggets with you, and it is definitely going to inspire you because even if you are able to implement just one idea, I'm telling you, your baking journey will not be the same again. Okay, so let's get started. Hi, Rupa.
Hi, ma'am.
Heartiest congratulations.
Thank you so much.
So amazing. So tell us, like, what is your total revenue right now?
It's almost 3 lakhs 10,000, ma'am.
This is really powerful. And in how many months you have achieved this? Because um, it is no, you are learning. You are a complete beginner, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
You,
Completely beginner, yeah.
So
Hmm.
when I consider your learning period and earning period, so can you talk a little bit about that?
I joined in May ending, ma'am.
Okay.
Then I started baking, like learning only.
Hmm.
I have completed that 6 months challenge, and then
Wow.
while doing that one only, Diwali came, so I grabbed Diwali gift hampers
Yeah.
deal. So with confident only, I entered forward, and then I did complete it successfully. I have completed it.
Okay.
Uh, so that is a big order, ma'am. 250 gift boxes
Wow.
for a
Crazy.
corporate company. So
For
for the first time I'm doing, but we should not show that we are doing for the first time. We have
yeah.
to be like a professional. So with all your help and guidance only, we have completed that, ma'am.
Superb. So,
Mm.
Rupa, just talk about how was your baking journey before joining this community? Okay, maybe it is Super Baker or Diamond, but were you earning anything from your baking, or what was your confidence level? So, can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah. Before that, I used to cook only by seeing YouTube videos.
Hmm.
So my kids always like bake all baking items. They love like cakes and all. So one day, one fine day, I came to know that you were real. I saw you were real for the
Hmm.
first time only. I didn't think anything. I just sign up that one, and
Hmm.
then I have taken that
Super
like a
Baker.
super baker. So
Okay.
then I started baking. So it's
Hmm.
coming up well. Then I thought, why don't you take diamond
Hmm.
membership? Within 1 week only, I have taken diamond membership.
Wow.
Then I started doing one by one. While completing the 6 months course only, I have completed all the whatever the famous items like cookies and all. Even it's a very wonder that I made like theme cakes, that doll cake. That was very surprising. Oh, am I
Wow.
doing? I myself got very satisfied.
Superb.
So I finally have completed 6 months, and then doing big orders like corporate order, and for functions also I'm giving chocolates and like that. So
Superb.
I'm trying to get big ones.
Mm. So, Rupa, but then, like, I remember this, but our viewers want to know this. Like, you did not join because you wanted to earn money, right? You are already a
Yeah,
working
yeah,
professional. So,
yeah.
when you joined the Super Baker program, what was your biggest, or maybe you shifted from Super Baker to Diamond in just 1 week. So, what was your biggest frustration that made you think that, something has to change in my
Yeah.
baking journey?
Yeah, before joining this course, I didn't. I am working professional.
Hmm.
So we know that it's a time to time thing, and we have to sometimes we have to spend late times also,
Yeah.
late nights also.
Yeah.
So both my husband is also working for a corporate company. He is a CEO of some small company.
Hmm.
So it's definitely he has to spend like till 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. So
Hmm.
then kids, it's very difficult to take caring of my kids. My husband is telling that you do something, you
Wow.
earn or something, but do it from home. That is
Wow.
the only sentence he is saying. Do something, you earn. I'm not objecting, but you do from house. Then
Hmm.
I came to know you were real, and then I just joined. Then I impressed, and I thought it's a good idea. Why don't you take this chance? We are doing from home only.
Wow,
So
superb.
then I entered this field, and I'm started doing this. So
Great.
I'm telling all the fellow bakers that it's a good opportunity for us,
Hmm.
and there is a lot of scope for marketing. Most of the people spend their money for food,
Hmm.
entertainment, for studies. So for studies, it's a very difficult one. We should have some big group.
Hmm.
This is baking means you
Hmm.
can do for yourself.
Hmm.
So that then I thought this is the big opportunity for me. Then I entered this. I
Nice.
started doing this. Mm.
Superb. Rupa, so because you are a complete beginner and you
Mm.
had your stable job as well, of course, like there were challenges in that.
Yeah.
And your husband and you together had a different aspiration altogether. That is what I got from this particular segment. But then, was there any kind of fear that, I'm investing in an online program? What if I'm not able to bake, or what if my money goes for a toss, or what if I don't get orders? Will this really work for me, right? Even if the husband is asking you ki go and invest, it is a quite significant
Yes.
amount of investment that you have to do, right? So did you have any kind of fear back then?
Uh, Yes. Actually, while selecting this course, I have two opportunities. Like I
Mm.
want to do interiors also.
Wow.
Interiors, and then this one. So
Mm.
my husband asked me only one thing. So it's better for interiors. If you want to get opportunity, means we should show our completed
Mm.
projects. So
Projects.
first time nobody will give you a chance. So it's very impossible to you.
Mm.
Then baking means you do it from with a small amount only. We can
Mm.
start from small amount, and then we can prove ourselves that I can do good
Wow.
good products. Then I thought this is a good thing. So I joined this one. I selected
Lovely.
it.
This
Mhm.
is this is so amazing, right?
And
Like,
one more thing is that we are thinking that baking
mm,
is also one journey.
yes.
Journey means once you selected this field means that means journey means once you are out of the home and then came to road, we have to
Mm,
take whether to walk or take left, rights, everything until you go like sometimes up and downs, right? So many U-turns also will be there.
yeah.
But once if you reach the highway, then you can go like any speed, like we can increase our speed from the up to that we have to face struggles, and we have to take ideas and take suggestions from our leaders or something.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
it's we will reach, definitely we will reach our target.
So, what exactly changed for you after joining Diamond? Was it like the audits that we do, or the accountability that we have, the support system that we have, marketing templates, mindset session, or the community? Like, what did what is that thing that changed for you?
Uh, Actually, for we are coming up through so many institutes like
Hmm.
YouTube ads or Insta reels are coming.
Yeah.
Once I join you, they will teach only product.
Hmm.
They will not tell about any business. But
Hmm.
I have entered into our classes, no? So
Yeah.
your biggest thing is you are teaching how to do business also.
Hmm.
Nobody give this type of path. Even
Nice.
mentors also there. If you get any doubt, we can clarify every Tuesday like that. Or even our fellow members also there. We can
Yeah.
talk to them. So I thought, oh, it's big. We are getting so much support. Then
Hmm.
I thought it's better, and then I have taken diamond.
Hmm.
Mm,
Nice. Superb. So, Rupa, do you think you would have, if you had tried these, because see, in YouTube and Instagram, like you said, a lot of ads are coming, but apart from ads, there are a lot of recipes
yes.
and there are a lot
Mm,
of decorations and everything you can see absolutely free of cost.
yes.
So if you had tried these recipes alone, do you think you would have reached this number, 3 lakh plus?
No, ma'am. No. Because there is no encouragement. How to grab opportunities.
Hmm.
They will do only recipe.
Hmm.
So then if I take their course, I do only that product only.
Yeah.
So I may not get I those ideas. Here,
Hmm.
how to motivate? You are always motivating, right? That is an important thing.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
then only we can try for opportunities.
Yeah. Very true. Nice.
Otherwise, we'll prepare that product and give it to our home, all family members and friends. That's all only. We will get all compliments.
Yeah.
Mm,
You will get all praises, but
Try
you will
this.
not get
No,
paid.
no, yeah.
So powerful. So when did you first realize that, hey, I invested big amount, but then it is working as well, big time for me? When was that moment?
Actually, while joining, I thought it's a big amount only.
Hmm.
Then, while she's charging means there can be something more. Otherwise, some people are charging for only 500, 600,
Hmm. Hmm.
like that. We can get that 1 day class.
Hmm.
So they are just teaching that recipe and then going. But
Hmm.
here she's saying that much amount means there should some
Hmm.
different paths.
Hmm.
In that class, you explained all the things like how to go, and there are number of lines are there. So I
Hmm.
thought it's a big, like I thought it's a MBA course. I did MBA. Plan wise, it is going right. So I thought no, it's a proper plan. Is there some structure is there? So why don't you try? Then I have taken
Nice, amazing,
decision.
super. And but again, let me go back to that question. When did you realize that it is working? So what you just shared was before joining, right? Like even though you had the fear, you still
Mhm.
said yes, right? It did not matter to you how much money you are investing. But after joining, when was that first time when you said, "Oh my God, this is really working"?
Uh, for the first time, I got a corporate order
Hmm.
through my husband only.
Ah.
And, he is not the easy person to give me a chance. So I made all the things
Yeah.
like I'm preparing. He's seeing me, I am doing sincerely. So,
Wow.
and then he tested my products also. So then only he got an confidence and then gave me, because it's so many 250 members clients means it will go to Delhi, Bombay, so
Hmm.
many places. He
Yeah.
should not get a bad name, right? So
Absolutely.
he got a confidence only. Then only he said, "I'm giving this opportunity for you in his friend's company only." So we got that opportunity. No compromise in quality.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
should use always good products only.
Yeah.
Mm.
Skill building is so
Yeah, skill.
important.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Superb. So,
Mm.
Rupa, how did that moment feel for you when this happened, when you got this big opportunity?
Yes, yes. 100%, so much happy. 100 candle bulb. Oh my God, I got a good opportunity.
Yeah.
And then it's almost 2000, around 2000 chocolates we made.
Hmm. Hmm.
Uh, that too, then at the time also we have a family function.
Wow.
So I need to prepare within 2 to 3 days.
Yeah.
So,
Hmm.
but finally we have completed. I have taken support of my mates and all. They supported me a lot. Their
Wow.
sons came and did packing. That is the big thing. Making is easy.
Yeah.
Packing and that one is little bit time
Yeah.
taking. So
Yes.
they supported me a lot.
Superb.
Mm.
We need to realize that it is not just the recipe or making. There are a lot of things that
Yes,
goes
yes, yes,
around the recipe, especially when you want to do big orders.
yes, yes.
So, and this big opportunity that you got,
Mm.
what what did it change in your home? Like how your house dynamics have changed after that?
After this, I got a confidence that I can do for big orders also,
Hmm. Hmm.
like functions and all.
Yeah.
So then I have grabbed another big order for a function, reception
Wow.
from relatives. I got that confidence.
Lovely,
We can.
superb,
Mhm.
superb. And then what was the dialogue between the husband and a wife, right? Because I want to know this because you started with the discussion कि interior करना है या you should do baking. Then together you decided let's go ahead and do this. And in just 3 months you made those 3 lakh rupees, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So now where are you? Like, are you still continuing your job or what is it?
Right now, for kids, I stopped my job.
Hmm.
So I'm fully focusing on bakery and
Wow.
kids caring. So,
Superb.
mm,
So is your husband happy?
yes, he is very much happy because I'm staying at home.
Yeah, I'm staying at home, but not just sitting at home,
Yes,
right?
yes,
He
yes,
was very clear. He said, I want you to earn, right?
yes,
It is not that just sit at home and take care of the child,
yes, yes.
right? So it is so powerful. I'm so thankful.
Actually, I'm very shy person.
Hmm.
I will. Mine is big community. I can go and ask for
Hmm.
opportunities. I'm a very shy person. My husband is always encouraging. My mother, no, why you are doing this? Why you are doing this? Your husband is earning. He's in a good position. Why you are doing like this? But
Huh.
I said, my mom, it's my interest, and then I have to utilize my time properly.
Hmm.
It will not come again. Like times and all events gone are gone. So we
Absolutely.
have to utilize 100%. Like
Correct.
okay, at home we can take care of kids and their education. And in the morning session after they're going to school, no, we have a lot of time.
Yeah.
So we can do lot and we can prove.
Yeah.
Whether we are earning money, not in lakhs or that is different.
Hmm.
That
Hmm.
is different. That is later. But
Hmm.
we are you properly utilizing. Otherwise, what we will do, we will discuss with others and talking nonsense only.
Yeah, typically women do that,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
Superb. And Rupa, so what is your next goal after 3 lakh?
After 3 lakh, mine is I'm targeting for 10 lakhs only,
Yeah.
but trying for big opportunities.
Yes,
Yeah.
superb.
So
And they are on the
my
way.
husband and my sister's son are encouraging. They are
Wow.
encouraging. Only I am only, but I have to start Insta business.
Yeah,
So next focusing on that one. Mm.
superb. Lovely, Rupa. This
I
is so
always am every Thursday. My energy will go 100%.
Hmm.
I'm just changing my behavior like shy from shy to confident.
Okay, so
Go ahead.
what happens on those Thursdays?
No, most of the people are telling that like their views and all.
Hmm.
So I thought, okay, we like this also we can get opportunities.
Yeah.
Like this.
So come again, like what happens on Thursdays? Which people you are talking about? Reviews?
Diamond review.
Oh,
Wins,
mastermind session. Oh, okay,
wins.
okay. Diamond wins. Okay,
Wins,
so
wins.
there your energy will go high.
Yes, yes.
Wow,
I'm
superb.
noting down and then implementing slowly.
Wow.
But I have to take like get the grab the good opportunities.
Yes,
So
you will for sure.
yes, yes.
This is so powerful, amazing. Can't wait to give you the 10 lakh Superstar Baker trophy on stage very soon in our Baker Champions
Welcome.
Retreat event.
Yeah.
Amazing. So, Rupa, if any woman who is watching this particular interview right now and she is feeling stuck or confused or maybe scared as well, what would you tell her?
Yeah. Um, if you follow like if you taken this course, and if you follow the like step by step like what ma'am is telling, then definitely you will reach the goal. There
Hmm.
is no obstacles.
Hmm.
One time like if you fail in the product making product, then try for another little amount only you try.
Yeah.
Then you can analyze that went wrong. Then rectifying that, doing a number of times, definitely you will get the good product. Then you will get the success, like confidence. Then
Hmm.
you can start and doing. It's not like ma'am is telling her everything like bit by bit,
Hmm.
like 5 grams, 10 grams, like
Hmm.
that. Even though if you do same, taken the same measurements, also sometimes we will not get the correct
Hmm.
product.
Hmm.
Maybe we did something went wrong, so
Hmm.
we have to analyze that one.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then don't get like a disgrace.
Yeah.
Do it number of times, even family members then and this is not good, even though you have to prove like that I can do good products.
Wow.
Do the number of times and then give one day. One day definitely they will appreciate us. My
Appreciate.
kid always eating like first time eating eagerly. Oh, brownies and all. If I made anything for a parcel, no, definitely I have to make another one.
Oh, for him.
They will enjoy it.
Lovely, superb, Rupa. So it was so inspiring success story to hear. I have just one last question. Just imagine if you had delayed this decision by one more year,
Yeah.
what would have happened?
Definitely, we are in a like we lost lot of time and everything.
Mm.
Even money also. We are earning great. We are utilizing.
Yeah.
We may take another wrong way also. I don't
Mm.
know. Maybe I have invested in
Mm.
maybe interior. Suppose if I
Yeah.
taken that one, I'm still searching for the opportunity only.
Mm.
This is not the like that. This
Mm.
is entirely depends on us.
Mm.
So
Superb. Lovely.
definitely we can prove that two women can do anything. That is the thing I can say. If you
Lovely.
have interest something, then definitely we can prove ourselves.
So powerful.
Because actually, I used to cook only in the morning.
Mm.
Night and all, I won't prepare like chapatis and all I have made. But now I'm also surprising that I'm doing number of hours for baking. Like,
Superb, Rupa. This is so amazing, right?
so we can do
Yeah.
everything possible for us. There is nothing is impossible in the world.
Wow, crazy. This is really,
Definitely.
really everything that the viewers wanted to hear, I wanted to hear, and coming that from somebody who has literally built her entire, like, not just launched her bakery, but literally scaled it to lakhs of rupees. It really inspires me to share this amazing story with the entire world. So thank you so much, Rupa, for inspiring all of us. I'm sure people have noted down, like you note down those winning
Yes, yes,
strategies from
winning.
our diamond wins. I'm
Yes.
sure viewers have noted down the strategies that you
Yes.
have shared and how you
Because
came out of.
number of people have number of thoughts. So we
Yes,
have to take their thoughts also.
yes, yes, yes.
Then only we can get success.
Absolutely. Community is very important and growth minded community is very important,
Very,
right?
yes.
Like people who are having similar goals as yours, right? Only then you will be able to grow. Otherwise, on social media, we may not get so many ideas, so many strategies that are working. So that was a really powerful golden nugget, especially for me. So Rupa,
Mhm.
thank you so much for
Thank you,
sharing
ma'am.
your success story with us. Guys,
Thank you.
this is exactly why we have created a beautiful DVA community, and
Yes.
not just to teach recipes, but to build the confidence, to help you build your profitable bakery, and to build a woman who can completely change not just her life, but her family's
Family life. Yes.
financial story as well.
Yeah.
So, thank you so much. Make sure that you share this interview with your baker friends
Yes.
who need to hear this right now.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much, Rupa. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.